How y'all doing? Big Tom's cooking outside, coming at you today. It's a beautiful fall day. It's daylight savings time today, so set your clocks back. We gain an hour of sleep. How about that, y'all? But here we are cooking outside, and we're gonna try poor man's burnt ends versus poor man's burnt ends. I don't know if you guys have seen the videos that I have, but I've seen a lot of posts featuring these burnt ends, and I chose two different styles of these poor man's burnt ends to try out for myself to show y'all you can do it too. If I can do it, you can do it.
Bloomin' barbecue bologna burnt ends right there. That's what I'm talking about.
Good brisket burnt ends, but this is the damn try. What do you think, Rose? Pepper jack and hot pepper, olive down in the middle of that hot pepper, and let's grab a chunk of this bologna. Let's give this a try, y'all. It's a little bit sticky and messy, but oh my god, it smells good.
All right, got mine on here. This is what they look like. I'm a chuck cubed up, everything rubbed down, everything cut up, and we're gonna see where it's going. And just for some extra bonus, I picked up some Southern style boneless ribs to go ahead and throw on with the rest of this. But there it is. We'll be back in a couple hours. Here we are, 6 o'clock. Poor man's burnt ends done. Chuck done. Bologna done. Ribs done. Shish kebab done. Let's try it out and see what we come up with. Alright, it's 6:05 and it is served. Got the chicken kebab. Got the southern style ribs. Got the poor man's burnt ends. Poor man's burnt ends part 2. Got some pasta and sauce to go. But this is some chuck roast cut into 1-inch cubes. This is a bologna slice cut into 3/4-inch cubes, and it's gonna pull apart like that. And it is delicious.